Hello friends, today I will show you the review of Redmi Note 6 Pro. It is a phone by Xiaomi. So this is a model. As you can see, it is with 6 GB RAM and 64 GB processor. Plus, you can see it is coming with 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel selfie camera and 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera at the back. It is a 19.9 full screen display. The aspect ratio is 6:26 and it is as you can see, it is a full HD display. And it is having a Snapdragon 636 processor. It is a octa-core processor, and this specific model is with 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. You also get some models with 4 GB RAM. So this is a upgraded model and it is a Make in India product. Okay, now I am opening the product. So first I will show you what all is coming. This is how it is packed. It has a small protective cover and all the features of the mobile is mentioned on this, like 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel portrait, dual camera, full HD display, Snapdragon processor, and backside is mentioned like how you have to install the SIM card and all those things. You can see it is a dual speaker setup. You can see there are two speakers, and this is the charging port. We have a 3.5 mm socket, the IR bulb blaster. Backside looks like this. And now first let me open the full case. So this is how it comes. You get a charger, and this cable can be used for your data as well as charging. Plus, in this box we are getting a case. This is a case. I will show you properly. This is a rubber case. It's not hard plastic. We get a user manual. Plus there are some things. Let me check. If at all something is there in this. And this is the SIM ejector tool, which is used to put the SIM card. You can see. Now let's get started. As you can see, this is power button, this is volume control button, and this side is the SIM tray. So let me peel this cover up. So this is a protective cover, just as a packing. I'll be installing a tempered glass afterwards. So this I am not using. So I am just showing you how to put the SIM card. This is a tray. You have to put this SIM ejector tool here and pull the tray out. As you can see, the tray is come out, and this is the I bought a new Jio SIM card, so I am showing you how to put that. This is a new Jio SIM card. So I am opening it. The SIM card. And it is a micro unit, so I have to open the inside also. And this is how I put the SIM card in the tray. And I am putting it like this. So the SIM card is in, and also showing you how to put this cover. This you have to match the camera over here and then put the cover. So now the phone is secured, and I am just starting the phone. This is the power button. Hold it for 2-3 seconds and the phone will start. So the phone is booting up. As you can see, it has detected the Jio SIM card and it's showing all the notifications over here. Jio 4G, Jio 4G. And there are all these applications which are inbuilt. Like this is a Play Store, this is all the Google Gmail, there is a security app, this is MI app, Chrome browser. These are all the different tools. This camera also comes with a inbuilt compass, scanner, download option, screen recorder. This screen recorder I think is a little new feature in this mobile. The previous model didn't have had an inbuilt screen recorder. And it has also a remote option. Then the camera has different options. You can see all the different modes. We have all different modes. Plus you can see it has a inbuilt flash. This is the way how to access all your shortcut menu. So mobile data, Wi-Fi, brightness option, GPS. This is for aeroplane mode, and you can even see this is for torch. So it's torch is lighting, and overall it's a very good device, lightweight. So I'll give you a further review of this mobile after using for maybe another some days as of now. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. I also mention the link to purchase this mobile online in the description. So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thank you.